Summer may be pretty much over, but in certain parts of the country, it is still blazing hot. In today's video, we are going to be putting this portable neck fan to the test. We drove down to Universal Orlando Resort in sunny Florida for a family trip. Now, I knew it was going to be blazing hot, so I was determined to beat the heat with this portable neck fan I seen online. Did this neck fan actually keep me cool? Well, let's go find out. So, a little bit about this neck fan. It has 5 different adjustable speeds, level 5 being the strongest. It's lightweight, comfortable, flexible, and very durable. I can say I wore this fan all day and it never once bothered me. Before using your fan, I definitely suggest giving it a full charge. As you can see here, this one is at 100%. Now that we have our neck fan on, charged, and at the highest level, let's go have a sunny Universal day. Okay, so the air is not coming out of here like you would think it is. It's actually coming out of this area here. So you do feel air, you feel the breeze, but it's not coming out of here and it's actually not cool. It's just like a fan. All right, so while indoors, here I'm inside the shop at the Mummy, this obviously feels better. It feels better because you're indoors and it's not quite as hot. So this is the first time that I could say that I'm feeling it and it actually feels cool. But it's basically just blowing cool air that's already within the building. One of my favorite features about this fan is that it doesn't pull hair. I've used neck fans in the past that have literally sucked up my hair and yanked it right out of my head. As you can see here, my hair was resting on top of the fan and it never once pulled my hair out. I'm sure you can see by my sweaty face how intense the humidity is here. I'm still wearing my neck fan, so we'll see. We'll keep it going. I went ahead and set the timer on my phone just to see how long the 100% charge would last. Running at the highest level, which was level 5, the battery lasted about 2 hours. Now, another great thing about this fan is that it can be charged with a portable charger. Just plug it in and it starts working immediately. You don't have to wait for the fan to completely charge to start using it again, which made it amazing for me because I didn't have to skip a beat. I can charge it and wear it all at the same time. So obviously at night it's a little better, but it's still pretty much the same thing. It's just kind of blowing air. Final thoughts on the portable neck fan? It's not a bad little fan. It does give you some relief. Now, is it a portable air conditioner? No, it's not. It's exactly what it says it is. It's a fan. It's going to blow air on you just like an oscillating fan would. However, if you're in a cool environment, then the breeze will definitely feel cooler. Something I didn't do on my trip, but I wish I would have, was to use the neck fan with a cooling towel. Now, obviously I didn't do this, so I can't say for sure, but I think with the cooling towel and the neck fan, maybe that would have given even better results. So there you have it, guys. That is my honest opinion on the portable neck fan. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got a lot of information out of it, and I hope it was very helpful to you. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.